Hi, my name is Steve Faulkner and I'm from the SolidWorks Education Department. In this video, I'll be going through a brief overview of the Bridge Design Project curriculum. The Bridge Design curriculum is set up to teach students how to design, build, and analyze a simple balsa wood bridge. The Bridge Design Project is split into 9 different lessons. Throughout the course of this video, I'll take a look at each lesson individually and give a brief overview of what the students will learn. The lessons are designed to take the student through every step in the design process. Students are given basic background knowledge, then taught how to design the structure, and finally once the design is completed they will build, test, and report on their final results. Lesson 1 is simply an introduction to the SolidWorks software. The students will go through the 3 basic tutorials needed to get familiar with SolidWorks under the Getting Started category, Lesson 1, 2, and 3, Parts, Assemblies, and Drawings. Lesson 2 covers a basic background of structure design. It covers the basic principles behind beam design and then goes into how those beams can be combined to form bridge and truss structures. It also has a balanced mix of theoretical knowledge and hands-on student activities. Lesson 3 returns to the SolidWorks software and also covers some of the basic and advanced mathematics required to analyze beam and truss cross-sections. Using the SolidWorks simulation package and the built-in beam calculator toolbox, students will analyze some basic beam cross-sections. Lesson 4 expands on Lesson 3 and takes the students through a simulation and analysis of a complete bridge structure. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to view and interpret the results plots for stress, displacement, and strain. Lesson 5 goes through the steps of adding additional bracing in order to reinforce the structure and make it stronger. Students will then perform similar analysis and look at how this affects the final results for displacement, stress, and strain. Lesson 6 moves away from individual parts and begins looking at the analysis of assemblies. Students will use assemblies and the simulation package in order to show how the truss is loaded during actual physical testing. Lesson 7 uses SolidWorks drawing tools to help students create a physical product from their final design. Students will also be able to use the built-in cut list feature that will allow them to know exactly what they need to construct their final product. Lesson 8 teaches students how to save and export simulation data using eDrawings and reports. eDrawings is a free tool provided by SolidWorks that will allow students to export their data and have anybody view it who can download the eDrawings program. Students will also be able to export their results into both Word and HTML format using pre-generated reports by the SolidWorks simulation package. Lesson 9 is the final lesson and has students build, test their structure, and then compare it to the results they found from SolidWorks simulation. That concludes a brief overview of the 9 lessons contained in the Bridge Design Project. The course is meant to teach students how to design, analyze, and build a simple balsa wood bridge using SolidWorks software. For more information on this design project and other curriculum provided by SolidWorks, go to www.solidworks.com/education.